Hello, I am Mensa Augustine. In this lesson, we are going to look at application of average or mean. Now, let us look at the question on the board. The average of 8 boys in the class is 60 years old, and the average of the girls is 60 years old. If the average age of all the students in the class is 40 years old, how many girls are in the class? Let us see how we solve this in a very simple way. Now, here we have been given number of ages and then the average. So we know that if we want to find sum of ages of 8 boys, when you are given the number and the average and you want to find the sum, we multiply the number by the average. So we multiply 8 by 6 to get 48. Now, if we let the number of girls to be y, then we have sum of ages of y girls. Since we have number of girls to be y and the average is 16, we take 16 times y, which gives 16y. Then we have sum of all students to be equal to 48 plus, wow, there's a mistake here. Sum of ages of all the students equals 48 plus 16y. And we have number of students to be equal to 8 plus y, because we have 8 boys and we have y girls. So here, the average of 8 boys and y girls is 14. So we take 14 equal to sum of the ages, 48 plus 16y divided by 8 plus y, that is 8 plus y. So here, this is going to give us 14 times 8 plus y equals 48 plus 16y. This is 112 plus 14y equals 48 plus 16y. This will give us, we take 48 from 112 equals 16y minus 14y. We have 64 equals 2y. 64 divided by 2 equals y. And we have 32 equals y. This means that the number of girls in the class is 32.